Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. We are officially introducing the new ZIK Chrome Extension, a tool that can completely change the way you do product research on eBay. Instead of jumping between different tools and tabs, this extension gives you all the data you need directly on eBay. From sales insights to competitor analysis to product trends, all in one place. Whether you're a dropshipper, own stock seller, or even selling secondhand items, this tool is built to help you make better decisions based on real data. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use it and show you how it can help you find and analyze winning products faster and smarter. So let's get started. Okay, so first you'll need to download the Chrome extension, and I will show you how soon. Now, the good news is that even if you don't have a paid ZIK account, you can still use this extension as a free light version. But if you do have a ZIK account, then you're getting access to a tool that can really streamline your product research directly on eBay. Plus, like I mentioned earlier, this Chrome extension is built for all types of eBay sellers, from dropshippers to owned stock sellers and even secondhand sellers, helping you gain valuable data while browsing eBay. Now, to download it, simply go to the Chrome web store and search for eBay Sold History, and look for the eBay Sold History button. See Item Purchase History. Or you can just click the link in this video's description. Once you download the extension, this is the page you will see. If you already have a ZIK account, you can simply log in using your existing details. And if you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one here. Just enter your email address. In my case, I already have a ZIK account, so I'll enter my details and click Sign Up. Next, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email. And once I enter that code, that's it. The ZIK extension is now ready to use. Now, for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and open a random product on eBay. And by the way, what I'm about to show you will work on any product on eBay, even if it's a used or like new item. So in this section below, we can view the overall details about the product, such as the category it's listed in, the last time the listing was updated, and more importantly, data that makes product research much more streamlined and easy. For example, we can see the number of sales over the last 7, 15, and 30 days, as well as the total number of units sold since the product was first listed on eBay. At the bottom, you also have some quick actions. For example, you can click Save Competitor, and that seller will be added to your competitor list inside the extension and also inside your ZIK account. In addition, you can quickly view the competitor store or check the full sold history of the product, all in just one click. Now, let me show you what kind of valuable data you can get while using the extension. So first, let's analyze the seller who is selling this product. For this, I'll go back to the product page on eBay and click on Analyze Competitor. Here I can see data that is publicly available on eBay, such as the latest sales from this seller, including the price and date each product was sold. But on the right side, inside the extension, I get a much deeper analysis. I can see a full breakdown of this seller's performance over the past 30, 21, 14, and 7 days, including sold items, revenue, sell-through rate, active listings, average selling price, and below that, I can see what is truly a game changer. The seller's top-selling products, organized from the highest number of sales in the past 30 days to the lowest. If I want to explore any of these products further, all I need to do is click on the magnifying glass icon. And I'll be taken directly to the product page on eBay to analyze it in more detail. This makes it incredibly easy to identify winning products and understand exactly what the top sellers are focusing on. Okay, so we covered how to analyze an eBay seller using the Chrome extension. Now let me show you how to analyze the products themselves. For this, I'll go back to the product we chose for this example and click on View Sold History. After clicking on it, I can see exactly how many times this product was sold, along with the data of each purchase. Now, in addition to that, which is already very useful, we also get extra insights from the ZIK extension. If we look over here, we can see the general details like the category and other product information. But what's really important is the data analysis section. For example, we can analyze the sales velocity over time, which helps us understand if the product is trending, stable, or declining. And we can also see the quantity per order, which is very powerful.
In this case, we can see that about 95% of buyers purchase 1 unit, while around 5% purchase 2 or more units.
This is very helpful if you're thinking about offering bundles or quantity discounts. These are the small details that can help us to outperform the competitor using the power of data. We also have additional data like sales consistency, showing how stable the sales are over time, and average price by variation, which becomes very useful if the product has multiple variations. In this example, there's only one variation, so all the data is grouped together. But if there were multiple variations, you could clearly see which one of the variations performs best in terms of sales. This gives you such a deeper understanding of the product, not just if it sells, but how it sells and how you can optimize it for your own store. Now, let me show you something really useful that will help you streamline your workflow. Let's say you find a product like this one, and you also want to save the seller so you can track them and see what other winning products they add over time. All you need to do is click Save Competitor. Now, if I open the extension, click on the 3 lines menu and go to My Competitors Watch List, I can see all the competitors I've saved, both from the extension and from my ZIK account. But it doesn't stop there. If I open my watch list inside the ZIK software, I'll see the same competitor saved there as well. The same idea applies to products. If you come across a product you like, just click View Sold History and then click Save Product. The product will now be saved both in the extension and in your ZIK account. To view it, open the extension, click on the 3 lines menu and go to My Saved Products. Here, you'll see all of the products you have saved, and those same products will appear automatically inside your ZIK account under My Products in a folder called Chrome Extension. This makes it super easy to organize, track, and revisit winning products and competitors all in one place. All right, so now you've seen how powerful the ZIK Chrome extension really is. From analyzing products and competitors to tracking performance and saving winning items all in one place. And the biggest advantage here is simple. You're no longer guessing. You're making decisions based on real data in real time directly on eBay. Now it's your turn to start using it. Install the extension, explore the data, and start building your own list of winning products and competitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you want to unlock the full potential of this tool, you can start using ZIK Analytics today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.